Did you know that just $10 a week could grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars? It's all thanks to compound interest, a money-growing superpower the wealthy swear by. Stick around, and I'll show you how to use it to build wealth starting today. Number 1. What is compound interest? So, what's compound interest? In simple terms, it's when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest too. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that grows your money faster and faster. Let's say you invest $1,000 and it earns 10% interest annually. By the end of year 1, you have $1,100. In year 2, that $1,100 earns 10%, giving you $1,210. See how it keeps growing? That's compound interest at work. Number 2. Why time is your best friend. Here's the key. Compound interest works best when you give it time. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Let me show you why. Example 1. Investor A starts saving $200 per month at age 25 and stops at 35. Investor B starts saving $200 per month at age 35 and continues until 65. Investor A ends up with more money even though they saved for fewer years. The lesson? Starting early is even more important than how much you save. Time is your secret weapon. Number 3. The magic of small investments. Think you need a lot of money to benefit from compound interest? Think again. Even small amounts grow into big results over time. Let's do the math. Example. Investing $10 per week in an account earning 8% annually. 10 years equals $7,000 grows to $7,800. 20 years equals $14,000 grows to $24,000. 40 years equals $28,000 grows to over $120,000. That's the magic of consistent investing and letting time do its thing. Number 4. How to get started with compound interest. Okay, now that you know how powerful compound interest is, here's how to get started. 1. Open a high-yield savings account or investment account. Look for options with the best interest rates or growth potential. 2. Start small, but start now. Even $5 or $10 a week adds up over time. 3. Automate your contributions. Set it and forget it to stay consistent without even thinking about it. Here are some beginner-friendly platforms. Acorns. Invest your spare change automatically. Robinhood. Great for investing in stocks and ETFs. Vanguard. Perfect for long-term growth with index funds. Number 5. The Rule of 72. Here's a quick hack to estimate how fast your money will double with compound interest. The Rule of 72. Divide 72 by your annual return rate, and you'll get the approximate number of years it takes to double your money. For example, at 6% interest, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double. At 10% interest, 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years to double. Use this to motivate yourself to find better returns and start now. Compound interest isn't just a math concept. It's your ticket to financial freedom. The best part? It works for anyone willing to start, no matter how little you have. So, what are you waiting for? Challenge for you. Start with just $10 this week. Find an account or app and let compound interest start working its magic. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's stopping you from starting your investment journey today? Let's talk about it.